All right, guys, so today we're out here. We're going to be testing this civil defense high velocity round. It's supposedly coming out at 2,400 feet per second out of the muzzle. And in order to blow Tannerite, it's required to hit at 2,000 FPS. We're going to do the test, take the 10 mil, and go ahead and try to blow the Tannerite. So as you guys saw, the 10 millimeter is not a joke, not something to fuck with. It's not cap, and did as it promised, and it went 2,400 FPS and blew the Tannerite up.